Today's video topic is why are some people ambidextrous? Do you ever find yourself using both hands for writing, eating, or playing a musical instrument? If so, you may be one of the few people who are considered to be ambidextrous. But what does it mean to be ambidextrous? And why are some people able to use both hands for tasks? What does it mean to be ambidextrous? Ambidexterity, or ambidextrous, is the ability to use both hands with equal skill and dexterity, or the capacity to use both hands independently and with equal facility. It is an uncommon trait that usually develops during childhood, although it can be acquired later in life. Some people may have a preference to use different hand for different types of tasks. This is something different known as mixed-handedness. What causes people to become ambidextrous? While the exact cause of ambidexterity is unknown, there are some theories about why some people possess this trait. Some experts believe that ambidexterity is genetic, meaning it's inherited from a person's parents. Others believe that it's caused by an imbalance in the brain, which can lead to a person having a stronger preference for one side of the body. Another theory is that our cultural preference is the right hand, so some people may be born left-handers, but they are obligated to learn how to use their right hand. This is because many objects and tools are designed to be used with the right hand. Examples include scissors, keyboard number pads, and classroom chair desks. Another theory some people have is due to an injury to the dominant hand. So if a right-handed person experiences an injury in his right hand, then he may be obligated to use the left hand to do daily tasks. So he will learn to use it just like the right hand. How many people are ambidextrous? It's estimated that only 1% of the population is naturally ambidextrous, and it is more common in males than females. However, some experts believe that the number could be much higher because many people don't recognize that they possess this trait. For example, people who are naturally left-handed but can use their right hand for certain tasks may not realize they have ambidexterity. Risks of being ambidextrous. According to some studies, being ambidextrous raises the potential for developing mental health issues such as post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, and attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD. Studies have found that ambidextrous individuals are more likely to suffer from these conditions, particularly when compared to those who are not ambidextrous. Moreover, some studies claim that children with ambidexterity can experience difficulties in learning and may have troubles with their writing pace and speaking fluency. Research has also suggested that ambidextrous individuals are at the increased risk of developing schizophrenia, a serious mental disorder. This is because, according to research, ambidexterity is associated with some variants of the gene VRK2, which is associated with the development of schizophrenia. But still, more research is needed to fully understand the link between ambidexterity and these conditions.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.